Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can scroll horizontally in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log into your Figma account on figma.com, and once you're in the main dashboard, select the project that you want to scroll horizontally. Let's choose this as an example. Once you're inside your project, you would see the different slides right here. So how can we scroll horizontally? First, go to the left panel and click on Prototype. And then, we are going to choose a device. There are numerous options from the drop-down menu, but for this video, I am going to choose iPhone 16. Now, how can we check if it's scrolling horizontally? Simply click right here on the present, and then this will redirect you to what your slideshow will look during presentation. So give it a few seconds. And right here, as you can see, to conduct scrolling, you're simply going to need to drag here and it should scroll horizontally. Easy as that. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!